give a big round of applause.
Very good evening, friends. I am Rotarian Sukhminder Singh, District Governor, Rotary District 3240. Today, I am coming here in Dimapur, visiting Rotary Club of Dimapur official visit. As you might be aware of, that Rotary started its journey in the year 1905, and we have crossed 119 years of service. Rotary started its journey with 4 members in the year 1905, and today we are 12 million people around the 200 plus countries, and we are working on a single motto, that is service above self. And the Rotary district has been divided into many districts, and our district consists of 7 northeast states, part of Bengal, and Sikkim. So our district number is 3240. So I am here today, and in our district we have 99 clubs at the moment, and we are working on 7 focus areas, and those 7 focus areas starting with the peace and conflict resolution and fighting disease, providing clean water, hygiene and sanitations, saving mothers and children, supporting education, growing local economies, and protecting the environment. So these are the areas where worldwide Rotary is working. And these works are worked at the grassroots level. And these are the clubs which are doing these works, the good work of Rotary. And our motto is doing good in the world through the Rotary Foundation. And that Rotary Foundation is doing, we donate, the generous donors of Rotary members donate to the Rotary Foundation, which converted that donation into projects which make a difference in the world. So, thank you very much for coming up, and you, the media persons, are our additional friends who can share our success stories and our work. As you might be aware of that, we started a single motto with polio eradication in the year 1979, and today we have been succeeded in eradicating polio all over the world except 2 countries, that is Pakistan and Afghanistan. But we are still working on that, and until our focus, until our goal is not met, we will continue fighting against polio. Thank you.
Since we're in the state of Nagaland, do you identify any specific areas in Nagaland that the Rotary Foundation wants to focus on for this state, for the people of Nagaland?
Actually, the clubs which are here, there are several clubs in Nagaland. One of this is the Rotary Club of Dimapur, another is Rotary Club of Kohima, and another one is Rotary Club of Mokokchung. So I have visited those 2 clubs and come to these clubs, and my appeal to those clubs is, because those clubs are the local peoples, they knows the needs of their local areas. Because as I am from Bengal, so I couldn't identify what is your needs, what is the basic problems of these areas. So that's why my message always goes to the club presidents and the club members. Please identify the need of your local people so that we can work together to solve those issues.
Like, from where does the fund comes from?
Excuse me?
Fund.
Fund. Fund is coming from all the generous Rotarians. We, all the Rotarians, donate generously to the Rotary Foundation. And that's why that fund, when we are donating 100 rupees to the Rotary Foundation, 95 rupees converted into projects. 5 rupees 5 has been kept for the administrative purpose only. And this is no other organization, no other foundation in the world has such a ratio of 95 and 5. So that's why Rotary Foundation is getting the highest star ratings for the last several years.
Sir, Rotary's work in polio eradication is quite well known. Can you elaborate? You said Rotary has worked rigorously in the polio area. Two countries you named are left, including Pakistan. So, how you have been able to achieve? How you have been able to do what you have been able to do? You were also in collaboration with the Melinda Gates Foundation.
Yeah.
How did it go about?
Actually, initially Rotary started this initiative to eradicate polio in the year 1979. And in the year 1982, Rotary take up this initiative that we will eradicate the polio from the world. And then Rotary come up with a collaboration with UNICEF, WHO, and other organizations. And like you says already that Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation is a partner. They are partnering us with a 1:2 matching. When we are giving rupees 1 to Rotary Foundation for the polio fund, Bill and Melinda Gates match that one into 2 rupees. So if I give 1 rupees, that matched as 3 rupees with the support of Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. And our role presently is to advocacy. We are doing on that one. We are creating a lot of this eradication polio with the advocacy program, and we are also having the booths where our Rotarians took part to continue these projects.
Lastly, do you have any specific message for the people of Nagaland? Because we're in Nagaland right now, and it's watched by a lot of people in this state. And so, as you work and you want to collaborate more, understand their voices, so that you understand their issues.
My message to the Nagaland people is spread the message of love, because peace is the topmost priority of each human being. If we look at ourselves, if we work hard, and at the end of the day we go home and we find peace at our home. So peace is the topmost priority of every human being. And that's why the 7 focus areas, peace is in the topmost priority of Rotary. We started with the peace, and other areas comes after that one. So start thinking on that one. If we are peaceful at our home, because the peace starts with myself. If I am a ambassador of peace, I will keep my family in peace. If my family is in peace, my neighbors will be in peace. So I will look after my neighbors. If I look at my neighbors, then I will look at my society, that my society should be in peace. So everyone, we are correlated with each one. If someone is facing the problems, we can't ignore that one. So everyone, let us start working together. Each one of you, come up, let us work for a peace. And that is the topmost priority. Thank you very much. Thank you for coming up. Thank you for giving me this time and opportunity to connect with you, to share few of words of Rotary through my voice. And I would like at you, the people like you are the brand ambassador who are spreading the message of goodwill and love. Thank you all. Thank you.